The Canary White-Eye or yellow white-eye, Zosterops luteus, is a species of warbler in the family Zosteropidae endemic to northern Australia in subtropical or tropical mangrove forests. Its common name reflects the circle of white feathers around its eye. Zosterops luteus is a small warbler with a bright olive back and yellow underparts and lores. It has a characteristic ring of silver-white feathers around its eyes, with a dark laurel stripe. It is a nectar feeder with a short, sharp beak and a brush-tipped tongue similar to the honeyeaters. The bird is 100 to 110 millimeters long, with a wingspan of 52 to 59 millimeters, a bill of 13 to 16 millimeters, and weighs between 6.5 and 11.0 grams. The Canary White-Eye or yellow white-eye is a member of the family Zosteropidae, known as white-eyes or silver eyes. Their distribution includes Africa, South and East Asia, Australia, and many islands in the Indian and West Pacific Oceans. The lectotype for the species is ANSP18264, an adult male collected at Port Essington in the Northern Territory and held in the Academy of Natural Sciences of Drexel University, Philadelphia. There is also a paralectotype ANSP18265, another adult male collected from the same location. The species name for the Canary White-Eye or yellow white-eye is Zosterops luteus, Gould, 1843, Greenhill Island, Van Dieman Gulf, Northern Territory, Australia. While there are variations in plumage and size across the range and some interbreeding of the races, genetic testing suggests two subspecies split between the western and eastern populations. C. L. Balstoni Ogilvy brand, 1909, is found in coastal northwest Australia from Shark Bay, including Dirk-Hartog Island, east to Watchalum, King Sound, and the northern Kimberley district. C. L. luteus Gould, 1843, is found in coastal northern Australia from the northern Kimberley district east, including coastal islands of Melville, Bickerton, Groot Island, and Sir Edward Bellew Group, to western Cape York Peninsula, Edward River, and an isolated population in eastern Queensland in the region of Ayr to the mouth of Budekin River. The family and genus names, Zosteropidae Bonaparte 1853 and Zosterops vigors and Horsfield 1827, come from the Greek words zoster, meaning a warrior's belt, or girdle, and ops, meaning eye. The species name Zosterops luteus combines the genus name with the Latin luteus, meaning golden or saffron yellow. The name for the western subspecies Balstoni derives from the name of the collector, W. E. Balston, who donated the specimens to the British Museum that Ogilvy Grant described. Although the name derives from the donor's name, the specimens were collected by Mr. G. C. Shortridge, who was recognized in the naming of Zosterops shortridgei. The species' most common name used in Australia is yellow white-eye. The bird is found in mangrove, manghul, and adjacent riverine vegetation. They feed on insects, including larvae in the outer foliage of small trees or shrubs, and occasionally on muddy mangrove flats. They are gregarious, usually found in pairs or small flocks. The IUCN Red List rating, the Northern Territory Conservation Status, Queensland Conservation Status, and Western Australian Conservation Status for this species is least concern, LC. == References ==